Hey everyone, if you're having trouble signing into InVideo, getting login errors, stuck on the sign-in page, or unable to access your account, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common InVideo login issues in 2026. First, double-check your email address and password. A simple typing mistake is one of the most common reasons users can't log in. If you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option to create a new one. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Since InVideo is a cloud-based platform, login requests require a reliable connection to communicate with its servers. If you're using Google, Apple, or another third-party sign-in method, verify that you're selecting the correct account. Many users accidentally choose the wrong account and think their projects are missing. Another quick fix is refreshing the page and attempting to sign in again. Temporary authentication issues can sometimes be resolved with a simple reload, and that's how to fix InVideo login issues in 2026. In most cases, checking your credentials, clearing browser data, updating your browser, or disabling conflicting extensions will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.